What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Garage 36. I'm Harrison, and we have a new build series for you today. So as you can see, I picked up a 2021 Honda CRF 110. And these little bikes are cool. They switched over from a carbureted system a couple years ago to now they're on a fuel injected system. So there's no choke. They pretty much start every time. It's electric start. So you may be asking, why did I pick up a little Honda CRF 110? And I guess the short answer is they're just a lot of fun. And they make a ton of aftermarket parts for these things. So half the fun is in the build anyway. I really enjoy that. So it'll be fun riding around too. But basically we got these things and within 24 hours, stripped them down to, well, as you can see, bare motor, and here's the frame. So a little crazy, but basically the plan is to powder coat the frame black and then a couple of the other parts like a candy red. So it'll be like a black and red build, but just not a huge fan of the silver. So me and a buddy got these bikes and we're kind of doing similar builds with full graphics and all that stuff. So it'll be a lot of fun, but stay tuned and watch the disassembly. This will be kind of the disassembly / get stuff to powder coat video. And in the upcoming videos, we'll have the full builds and it'll be really, really cool from there. So have fun. So you've seen the disassembly, and this is basically all that's left is a motor. You still got the kickstand and the airbox and basically a bunch of electrical equipment. So we did a good job marking all this so that hopefully it doesn't get lost and plugged back in the wrong areas. But here's the forks. So basically we have stiffer springs and longer dampening rods to increase the height of the bike a touch. And then these are the lower part of the forks. These are going to end up being black. We have the wheels and the hubs here. So kind of the plan for these is we're going to do a black wheel. We're going to keep the spokes silver, and then the hubs are going to be like a candy red. So it's going to be a really cool look on those. There you got the battery and the gas tank. That's staying the same. Once you get over here, here is the bare frame. So the frame is going to be black. And then a couple other little parts here and there. You got the triple clamps and other stuff like that. That's gonna be black. So we'll get all that off to powder coat. Hopefully have that back in maybe a week or two, probably at the most. They kind of have to sandblast everything and then also do all the coating. And for the red, it's actually a two-step process to kind of get that candy red, chrome red kind of look, almost like an anodized hub kind of look. So overall, these things were pretty straightforward as far as disassembly goes. I'd say probably the hardest part was figuring out the little small clips on the bottom of the gas tank. Like I said, this is all fuel injected, so there's all kinds of computers and wiring and special clips, and had to check a couple forums and text a couple people. But overall, hopefully you enjoyed this disassembly video, and stay tuned because the upcoming videos will be really cool putting this thing back together. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.